Good afternoon, this is Jatinder Singh Narula. Today I am in Pune district and we are at this huge industrial plot development site. Here land is being leveled so that a new factory can be built in the plot. Here we have our JCBNXT series 205 Tracked Excavator fitted with 0.9 cubic meter bucket and it is filling a dumper truck. You can see all this digging has been done by this machine. Objective is to bring the ground to a common level. This mud will be deposited in the low-lying areas and this is a high-lying area. The objective is to flatten the complete ground. The JCB 205 excavator is a 20.5 ton operating class machine. Very robust, preferred by land developers, preferred by contractors, and you can see it has got a good slew speed.